What have you got? What you got, huh? Are you excited? Are you excited? Welcome back to another vlog. It is the end of the day. It is just gone 6. 5 to 6. And I've just got home from work. Just about to feed this little nugget. And my makeup's not looking too great right now because I've gone from being extremely hot to extremely cold in the next day. But yeah, so I just got home and I wanted to share what has been delivered with you guys. So not being paid to promote this, but it is an ad because they have sent me the item. So that is they're the new rules. So if it says ad on something, it doesn't necessarily mean you're being paid to say it, but they've sent this to me. So I was, like 2 years ago, I feel like we're really zoomed in, you know? I asked my dentist about having the clear retainers that move your teeth into a straight position. And he basically told me that it cost about £2 or something. And at the time I was like, yeah, can't afford that right now. But definitely wants to have it in the future. So if you watched my video where I spoke about like things that I've had done, which I will link here as well and in the down bar, because there's like I talk about anything and everything that I've had done or do to myself. I talk about my teeth and the fact that I had braces and the different things that I had done. Well, when I'm editing videos, my bottom teeth really frustrate me and I feel really self-conscious about how wiggly they are. They're just really not straight at all. So that is one thing that really frustrates me. And then in certain pictures, like I don't understand why this side of my face looks totally different to this side of my face. I know that's my face as well, something to do with my face. Anyway, so recently I just started following a few different things on Instagram that were to do with teeth straightening, and was looking into it and thinking I really want to do it, and I got contacted by SmileKit. So I'm really excited, guys. They have sent me the kit and I've said that I will do a video at the end if it works. So excuse Indy rolling his bone across the floor. So if this works and when this works, let's be honest, because it's going to work because they've got loads of customers, I will show you and I'll take you through the process. So I will be vlogging, so you will see hopefully some changes in my teeth. But this kit is the kit where I need to put in the molds, and there's a little tutorial for me to watch as well to make sure that I've done it right. And I think you get 2 goes at it as well. So it's for the top and the bottom teeth. I'm going to make the molds, send them off, and then they will send the retainers back. So I'm excited to see what that very last retainer looks like, to see what my teeth will look like when they're straight. So I'm really pleased. So this evening I'm going to have my food and then I'm going to go and clean my teeth. And I thought I'd show you this basically before we continue with the vlog of the week. Okay, food eaten. It was pizza. And I've cleaned my teeth and I feel like they've definitely gone a little bit more yellow since look at the state of like all my makeup now at the end they did, and what's gonna they look a little bit whiter than they are, I feel, in this camera right now, but I feel like they look a little bit more yellow than they used to from all of the tea that I'm drinking. So basically this is my setup right now. I've got these boxes which need to go into the attic. I've got some winter coats in here and like my box from my Louis and the crystal that my mum gave us, because I want to keep these things, so they're going into the attic. But I've placed a mirror here because it's got the best lighting, and I am just opening up the boxes. I know if you've seen the carpet is a mess and we need to do a vax over this to clean the actual carpet. But anyway, I'm just looking inside and And I've also watched the video that they sent to us to have a little watch. So there's a video for you to watch which tells you exactly what you need to do. And I will read all the instructions now, but to be honest with you, that was pretty comprehensive, so we're not too bad. But inside the box then, I have got this here, which I just seen, which is basically like checking out some things, consent form here to sign, and some postage instructions. Oh, this I thought was really good, so I just learnt this from the video, that you take your first lot of molds, you send the pictures along with some very dashing pictures of using like the mouth opener. I don't know what that's called, like it stretches out your mouth so that they can see your teeth properly, and you send all of those to this place. Gosh, I am getting tired, what's going on? And then they check that your molds are okay, that you've done them correctly, and then you do a second set of molds then, and you send them out with this box. So I'm not quite sure why I've got two boxes at the moment. We're figuring that out. I don't know if it's like the one lot in here, then the second lot of molds in there, but we shall have a little look through. Yeah, that's my return thingy. Okay, I'm going to have a good read through this. This is the same as the video. I saw the guy talking about this, but and then I'll go through the box with you. I feel like I'm going to gag doing this. I remember having this done for my retainers when I was younger. I was about, how old was I? About maybe 14, I think. But this is going to be hilarious. I can't wait though. I'm so excited. Classic vlogger there, excited about everything apparently. Okay, contents of the box. We've got 2 lots of these for your 2 different impressions of the top and the bottom. 2 lots of gloves. We've got this, which is the sort of smile stretcher. 4 lots of that and 4 lots of this, and you mix this and this together, it says. So that'll be like 1 go for the top, 1 go for the bottom, 2nd go for the top, 2nd go for the bottom. I've set a 3-minute timer ready for when I put it in my mouth. I do need to go and wash my hands though. This is then goes over the top of your phone. It's like a little light, little selfie light. It just makes sure that when you take a picture of your impressions that it's a clear lit picture. That is a seal for the box when I send it back, and the return address as well. So this is what I need to do, is mix the number 1 and 2 together to make this for 30 seconds. Sausage shape and into here, and I need to bite down firmly and keep it pushed in without moving it around, and then take it out after 3 minutes. Okay, I'm just about to start mixing the putty. It is way more sticky than I thought it was going to be. I don't know what I was expecting, to be honest with you. Dropping it as well, not good. Okay, need to do this for 30 seconds. You are so on a wonk right now as well. Can I? It feels really weird doing this with gloves on. Quite satisfying. And I feel like I should do a little do disco dance for you, but I'm gonna restrain. I will restrain. Okay, I feel like that is suitably mixed now, so I'm going to put it in the sausage shape that it tells me to put it in, and do the lower one first. And it says to put this in within about 25 seconds, so I'm going to put that in there. Now I've stopped doing it, and it says as well to push like it all to the edges. So it's all pushed in, and that's all we have so far. So I'm going to press the start and go for, this is the lower. I don't know why I'm scared, but I'm scared. Wow. So I feel like I did pretty well. That is what it looks like. They're my lower teeth, guys. Hello. Ah. Wow, that felt really long, like a really long 3 minutes. You definitely need a towel. Definitely need a towel. Okay, mixing number 2 up so I can do the top ones as well. Okay, timer ready. About to do number 2. Oh. And there is my top teeth. So you can see there that we're a little bit off, guys. So I'm going to send pictures of these over to make sure that I did an okay job. And I am just going to go and take, I'm going to show you the pictures of this. I'm not going to show you me taking these pictures with the smiley thing in, but I'm going to do this kind of thing now and send those photos over. So we're doing 7 photos in all, so those 2, like a front one, one of the upper, one of the lower, and this side and this side, I think. Oh, and one of like front smile as well. So that is what I'm going to send over, guys, and then I will package it up. And I will, no, I won't package it up. I need to wait. I need to email those over, see what they say, and then if they are any good, I need to do the next lot with them. Do you know what? That was easier than I thought it was going to be, but yeah, it was fine. So I'm just going to take the little photos with this and send them over. So if they're all okay, I will do my second set of impressions and then send it back. So I will let you know tomorrow what they say, and then we will carry on with the rest of the week with this vlog. See you tomorrow. Good morning, guys. It is a little while later since I last spoke to you, and it is our 4-year wedding anniversary today, which is quite exciting. I can't believe it's been 4 years, where have those 4 years gone? It is, what's the time now? It's like 10 to 7, I think, in the morning. I am struggling to wake up today, and I woke up with like a little bit of a pain here. But we've gone for full face of makeup today, which I'm struggling to hide bags with, and my friend that has arrived, which I'm going to call Doris. Sorry, we had to change the battery, and so I'm now on the iPhone. So this is really weird because I'm looking like this one. Hopefully I'm looking at you now. Really strangely. Yes, as I was saying, Doris is part of my life. I'm just making myself a cranberry green tea. Indy's licking the floor as always. And then this is my outfit today. I feel really, really bloated today, but this is what I am wearing. This is super old, the toes have gone on these, but sometimes I don't care as much. Oh, sorry about that. Sometimes I don't care as much about my shoes, because where I'm like kneeling a lot and things like that, the toes on my shoes always go. What is this doing? I'm gonna have to sort that out. I slept on my head this morning, well, last night, and when I woke up it was like really nice, really nice. Green tea hopefully will give me a little bit of caffeine to wake up, and I just need to do a little bit of work on the computer before I go in this morning. And this morning we've got like a big event in school for the whole school today. This is really, why am I vlogging on my phone? Because I'm looking at right in the middle of my screen. It's as if I'm looking over there. I know why I'm vlogging on my phone, because the camera battery is gone. Well, both of my camera batteries are gone. And I feel like I need to update you about something else. Oh, I did the second lot of molds, which was exactly the same as the first, although they came out a little bit better. Can't remember if I told you that the feedback that I had about the molds when I emailed was the bottom one was great, and the top one I just needed was really clear. I just needed to push my 2 front teeth down a little bit more so that they got like the gum line as well, and they have been sent off. So I will update you in like another vlog of how that's going. And if you want to follow along that journey and how it's going, and if it's going well, then you are more than welcome to. But if I can get the process of having straight teeth without going to the dentist to pay God knows how much. Oh no, I've tipped tea on the sofa. Then I will be extremely happy. And without going to go back and have the like train tracky type things that I had. I was just going to start talking to you again, and I realised we have several dead plants at the moment, mind the washing, that I am not taking very good care of because my brain is so busy in like work mode at the moment. House also needs to really be clean. But what I need to do is to take a photo with this, which we will use then maybe for this thumbnail, and also if it goes well, then we can like put it on Instagram and stuff, because I don't want to like false advertise anything that doesn't work so great. But I've seen a lot of good reviews about this, so yeah. I also wanted to ask you what you thought about me going back to almost daily vlogs, because I don't want to say daily vlogs because I know there'll be some days where I'm just not feeling like talking. But it's coming up to summer, and if I was doing anything exciting, I know like you've asked for vlogs to come back, but would you like them sort of sporadic, just sort of dripped into like the normal content, or would you like a daily vlog made into like a weekly vlog? Or what kinds of things would you like? I don't think I would go back to weekly vlogging at the moment, where I put one up every single day, or daily vlogging should I say, on my other channel. But is that something that you would like here? Let me know how you would like that structured. Yeah. I'm also, I need to change up my makeup. I'm so bored of it. Just remember something else I need to try about. So I'm thinking of having my hair cut off to like my collarbone, like here. Because I'm fed up of it. I kind of want this colour up. So I said it before about like taking the blonde up. But I am a bit bored, guys. I've had this hairstyle for goodness knows how many years, and just need something different. So yeah, you let me know. But anyway, hope you enjoyed this vlog. It was more just like a chatty one, I suppose, and just telling you what I'm going to be doing. And yeah, hope you're having a good day, and I will speak to you guys soon. Bye.